Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR carbon monoxide meter. So it comes in a case, and it looks like it also comes with batteries. We got our sensor on the top and just a battery compartment on the back. It also comes with a screwdriver and our instructions. Okay, so you can see right here it's reading carbon monoxide and the parts per million reading. It also tells us the temperature. We can change that to Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can set the minimum and maximum. So right now it's on max. Right now it's on minimum. So that's just going to tell us the highest that it got. So if we want to monitor something but we don't want to be looking at the screen, or if we're in an environment where it can vary rapidly, put that on max and that will tell us the highest. If we want to clear that, just press and hold, and that clears it. We can have it hold the current reading. So if it's varying, we can see exactly what it was at that instant. Turn it off. If we press and hold, then we got our backlight. We do have an option for an alarm, so that's this bell right here. We can turn that on or off. And we also have an option for automatic power off. So we press and hold that, and we can see it turn that off. So if we want to just leave this thing in a room and just let it run, we can do that. As long as that timer is on, it will automatically shut off. And we have a little guide on the parts per million in the instructions. So 0 to 1 is general environment, 9 is standard living area, and all the way up to 100 is the OSHA exposure limit. So the alarm will fire when it gets to 100 parts per million, and it'll turn the screen red.
So let's see what we get out of the tailpipe. Oh, there we go. Just took a minute to update. Okay, and there goes the alarm. So obviously you wouldn't want to put your face down there. And there we go. Shut off. So that is pretty awesome.